Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by assembling essentials: a case opener, non-magnetic tweezers, small screwdriver, loop, and a soft pad. Once ready, position the watch face down on the pad so you avoid scratches, and examine the case back to determine whether it screws off, snaps off, or is held by 4 screws. Then, using the matching opener, apply steady pressure and turn, slow and controlled, so the seal doesn't deform. Make sure to keep track of any loose screws immediately in a parts tray. Once the case back is off, you'll see the movement and battery under a clip or small bridge. Inspect how the battery is secured and where the polarity marks are so you know the orientation. Carefully loosen any tiny screws or depress spring clips with a screwdriver or plastic stick, and then lift the battery out with non-magnetic tweezers, slowly so you don't bend contacts. Make sure you read the tiny model number on the cell before discarding it, because the replacement must match exactly. You place the new cell in the same orientation as the old one, pressing it gently until the clip or bridge engages. Once done, make sure the contact springs are seated and the hands move. Next, inspect the caseback gasket. If it's dry or cracked, replace or lightly coat with silicone grease to maintain water resistance. Finally, reclose the caseback, either by screwing it down or snapping it on, and test the watch. If it doesn't start, try reseating the battery and cleaning contacts. That usually fixes poor contact issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.